Hey, and welcome back. We're doing pork belly or Lechon Kawali. This is the skin, this is the meat. You want to place the meat size down, the meat side up. Place it in your Ninja Foodie for 35 minutes and we're going to get started. See you in a moment. Okay, we're at the 35-minute mark for pressure cooking. We're going to take this out. And I sprayed this strainer with Crystal cooking powder. So we're going to take all this out, bay leaves and all. And we're going to crisp it. Look at that. It looks delicious. I will see you guys in a moment. So now we're going to go to air crisp. We're going to shut this first. Hit air crisp. Go to 390 and the time is going to be for 5 minutes. See you in a moment. Okay, and it's finished. This is our pork belly, aka Lechon Kawali. It's on the plate, and I'm going to begin to slice it. And it's very tender. And I added the spices, and you can find the spices at NoSaltBP on YouTube. You see the pork is thoroughly cooked. There's no pink. This is the skin. And that's it. Air crisp, no deep frying. And thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I will see you soon. Goodbye.